Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great and keeping safe. So in today's video we are going to create this reverse cat eye look which is currently in trend. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and also I am running a giveaway on my Instagram, so do check that out. So to start off with, I am using the Sugar Art Arrival to tame my brows, and I'm just shaping them and then filling in the products, and then I will be using the spoolie side and combing my hairs again. For my kajal, I'm using the Sugar Kohl pencil in the shade black, and I'm first going to apply a thick line of kajal under my lower lash line, just the way I'm doing it in the video, and then I'm going to extend this line from the lower lash to the outer corner, which is going towards my eyebrows. You can extend it the way you want. Now using a shader brush just like this one, I'm going to smudge this line, and I just want a little smokiness going on, and I'm going to remove the harsh line which is of that kajal and just blend it very lightly. Next, I'm going to use the same kohl pencil and I'm going to tightline my upper lash line and join that line with my lower lash line and the kajal which I drew on. This is just going to give a complete look to the eye and make it look whole. Again, I'm using the same shader brush and just blending it a little. Now I'm using this K-Beauty palette, and I'm going to take this black eyeshadow shade and just going to intensify the black kohl which I have applied in my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take this lightest shade from the palette and apply it all over my lids to lighten them up, and I'm going to clear my kajal line so that it looks more sharp. Now I'm using this lighter brown shade. This is a cool toned brown shade, and I'm going to create my crease with it just to define my eyes a little bit, and you can see the difference between the two eyes now. Now using this highlighter palette from NYX, I'm going to highlight my inner eye corner and my brow bone. And after that, I'm using this liquid pen liner from Sugar again, creating a line in my inner corners to give it a cat eye look. Now using the mascara, I'm just going to apply a nice coat of it. You guys can see how great this mascara is, and my eyelashes are so voluminous after this. I'm going to apply a bright lipstick. For that, I'm using the PAC newly launched lipstick. The whole review is on my Instagram page, so you can check that out. And I did topped it up with another shade. Sorry, I forgot to record that. So this is the complete look, guys. I hope you like it, and do not forget to participate in the giveaway which is running on my Instagram. The Instagram link is in the description box. So this was it for today. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye bye.